Today, I will be showing you a hosting site which you can use to host your Discord bot 24/7 hour online for free.
Yeah, boy.
But before starting, don't forget to
So please, whatever.
at the login page simply click on Authenticate to Discord, then click on Connect to Discord. Click Authorize, and according to me they are safe. And after logging in you will see the panel something like this. In the free plan you will have 100% CPU, 1 gigs of RAM and 2 gigs of storage, which I believe is enough for a basic bot. Go to Store and click Create button to deploy a new hosting server. Just change name, and I think nothing else you would like to change cause everything is auto-filled from your account leftover credentials. Put whatever description you want cause it's optional, and as you can see I have 100% CPU, 1 gigs of RAM and 2 gigs of storage. Don't change anything in server allocations, databases and else.
Select the available node and then Discord bots, and at last your bot code language. For me it's Node.js. Give some time to get the server installed, then we will upload files.
Meanwhile,
They have some awesome paid plan tier which offer more server and resources.